Most of you are aware that McKinsey Global has brought out a exhaustive report, India's Urban Awakening, Building Inclusive Cities, Sustaining Economic Growth. See, it is very illustrative and a very interesting topics are covered, and it has given a lot of eye-opener to all the policy makers across the nation. We have taken this opportunity of presenting this report even to the Prime Minister and to all other important policy makers, and this gives us very important insight of what is the importance of urban cities. It has studied, the report has studied the implications of urbanization at local, state and national levels and its economic and demographic impact on about 70 cities in India, and in-depth analysis was further done on about 15 major cities. There are major 5 dimensions of urban development. One is the funding, where the resources will come from, and governance, who will lead and be accountable, and sector policies, economic growth, affordable housing, transportation, environmental stability, and fourth, how the population will be distributed, and fifth, planning, how will cities make and enforce land and space choices. These are the primary factors that have to be considered while doing the master plan, because unless there is good planning and the infrastructure is taken care, the life in the cities are not going to be. The context for the need for urban planning and infrastructure. Economic reforms have put India on a high rate of GDP growth. Rate of urbanization is increasing, with youth primarily attracted to opportunities available in urban areas and also for better lifestyle. For India to reap the democratic dividend, thriving cities are a must. To sustain this high growth, cities play an important role. Development of cities is also must for inclusive growth, the new mantra for sustained development. Why cities are important? See, 85% of the tax revenues, the contribution to GDP is coming from the urban areas. It was only about 30% of population in the past, now it is 40%, and it is likely to touch 50% in another 1 or 2 decades. So population is moving towards urban areas for obvious reasons. More than 200 millions are in the close vicinity to about 70 cities, 70 towns and cities, and directly benefit from them. These urban cities also provide a lot of improvement in the productivity of each individual, and this city will impact up to about 100 kilometers, the productivity of the people, and also their income levels. The income levels are almost 2 times more than what is available in the rural areas. Not paying attention to cities will lead to urban decay, poor quality of living, social problems, which ultimately will jeopardize the economic growth. That is the importance of urban planning, and also the creation of required infrastructure. The plan should address a wide range of issues instead of just land use planning and roads. Master plans are aimed at organized development and balanced development for present and future needs. What are the key determinants of quality of life?